Welcome! This video is not about learning English. This video is about unlocking your voice. Because right now, your voice is trapped. Not because you don't know English, but because you don't use it. You understand English. You watch videos. You listen. You read. But when it's time to speak, you freeze. Your mind goes blank. Your confidence disappears. And you become silent. But here is the truth. You are not bad at English. Your voice is simply untrained. Inside you, there is a fluent version of you. A version of you that can speak. A version of you that can express ideas. A version of you that is confident. But your mouth has never been trained to release it. Because speaking is not just knowledge. Speaking is physical. It is muscle memory. Your voice needs repetition. Your mouth needs training. And today, that training begins. Secret number 1. Stop being silent. Fluent speakers are not silent. They speak. They repeat. They practice, even when they are alone. Every time you speak, your voice becomes stronger. Every sentence builds confidence. Silence keeps you weak. Sound makes you powerful. Secret number 2. Stop waiting to feel ready. You will never feel ready. Fluency is not created by waiting. Fluency is created by action. Speak now, not perfectly, not confidently. Just speak. Confidence comes after action, not before. Secret number 3. You must become comfortable with discomfort. Your voice will feel strange at first. That is normal. Every fluent speaker started exactly where you are now. Silent, unsure, afraid, but they spoke anyway. And that changed everything. Secret number 4, change your identity. You are not just a learner. You are a speaker. Say it. I am a speaker because speakers use their voice. Speakers express themselves. Speakers are not silent. And now, neither are you. Secret number 5. Just 10 minutes a day can change your life. Speak out loud. Read out loud. Repeat out loud. Day by day, your voice grows stronger. Your fear becomes smaller. Your confidence becomes real. And one day, you will speak without thinking, without fear, without hesitation. And in that moment, you will realize something powerful. You were never broken. You were never incapable. You were only untrained. Your voice was always there, waiting for you to use it. Your voice is your power. Use it. Train it. Trust it. And your life will change. Speak today. Start now.